Kapunta doon sa yellow and pink. Ayun o, kitang-kita na nga. Hindi man yung umasa taas. Kasi pwede yon. So, gusto ko manalo. Hello,
Guys,
ano dito?
part 3.
Part 3, guys. Part 3 ka na dyan?
Guys,
Part 3 ka na dyan naman?
yes.
What?
Dinalaro natin dati.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Akin na to. Yay! May ano na.
May hacker?
Oh my God.
May
Maon?
Wait lang, guys. Guys, magalig sana. Wait lang, guys. Nahulog. Naglag lang. Lag lang yan. Naglag.
The delivery worker was absolutely terrified while making a delivery.
Naglag.
Customer demanded she hang up the fried chicken and leave. Look, Ronaldo's nose is upside down in this picture. So this man removes part of the screen to fix it and put it back in the correct position. And the repair actually works. But the lighting on the lower part isn't working. He quickly realizes that one wire isn't connected. After reconnecting it and reassembling the screen, the final result looks perfect. Look, Ronaldo's nose is upside down. I don't know. Why did you ask? My guide dog is at the left.
So you beat us. Why am I teamed up with Dumb Andre?
Teacher, we have to beat Mr. Beast, otherwise he'll destroy the school.
And how are we supposed to do that with these crappy cars? Don't even bother trying, Mrs. Teacher. You'll never beat me. I'm super rich, so I only drive the coolest car.
Don't worry, teacher, we need it.
Only in your dream. Challenge number 2. Drive through SpongeBob's shrinking mouth. Watch and learn. The Lambo is perfect for this because it's low and super agile. That was way too easy.
Oh my gosh, even my grandma used to drive a car like this.
Teacher, pull yourself together. We can still win.
This bucket of bolts barely turns at all. Oh great, we lost again.
Now we have to jump over these toilets. Come on, teacher, keep going.
Wow, Andre, you're actually doing it.
Of course, I'm a pro at this game.
You still haven't seen how I handle this. This is going to be the easiest challenge ever.
Mr. Beast, you're not making it.
Ow, stupid. In challenge 4, you have to smash through 100 gates. This is where I make my comeback. My armored pickup truck smashes through gates with ease.
Come on, teacher, try to speed up this rusty
I'm trying, but I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh no, we only smashed through 95 gates.
The final challenge jump over 3 giant worms. I bought the fastest car in the world for $100 million.
Wow, that car is insane.
Looks like we don't stand a chance.
Yes, I did it.
Mrs. Teacher, don't give up. We can still beat him.
By the way, guys, I broke the like and subscribe button.
No way, guys, check if they still work and tell us in the comments.
Oh no, the worm is gonna eat us. Why my team?
What happens if you touch this living train on the ground? It might look harmless, but these are pine processionary caterpillars, famous for moving in long head-to-tail lines. When they feel threatened, they release thousands of tiny airborne hairs loaded with irritating toxins. These microscopic hairs can cause severe rashes, eye irritation, breathing problems, and serious allergic reactions.
Did you know everyone?
Ay, nahulog pa. Boom.
A girl has to clean a mold-covered bathtub in just 5 minutes. She scrubs as hard as she can, but the grime is so thick it just won't budge. That's when Lynn tells her she needs a special medicinal soap token to get the job done. So Chihiro heads to the front desk to borrow some tokens, but the attendant there doesn't like the new girl and flat out refuses to help her. Then, out of nowhere, No Face shows up. A second later, a token flies through the air and lands right in Chihiro's hands. She rushes it over to Kamaji and pulls the cord to release the watch. While she waits, she spots No Face again, just standing quietly in a corner. He walks over and holds out a whole handful of medicinal tokens, but Chihiro doesn't need that many, so she quickly turns him down. No Face walks away disappointed, dropping the tokens on the floor as he goes. Right then, an incredibly filthy guest arrives. Everyone calls him the Stink Guy. His body is covered in mud, slime, and all kinds of filth. orders her to escort the guest to the bathtub. Chihiro is immediately terrified. Everywhere the stink god walks, things start to rot and decay. And sinks straight in, and the crystal clear water instantly turns into a swamp of mud. Luckily, Chihiro still has the token she got from No Face. She quickly hands it to Tamaji, pulls the cord, but she slips by accident and falls right into the tank, which is filling up fast. She struggles to get out, completely stuck in the thing. Thankfully, the stink god lifts her up before anything worse happens. But that's when she notices something, a thorn stuck in the side of his body. She tries to pull it out with everything she's got, but she can't manage it alone. Yubaba realizes this is no ordinary stink god. A girl has to clean a mold-covered bathtub in just 5 minutes. She scrubs as hard as she can, but damn it! How did they find?
Guys, oh no.